Tired of spending money on laundry detergent? We have a secret that could save you hundreds. Welcome! We're diving into a DIY recipe for laundry detergent that costs you absolutely nothing and can last for an entire year. Commercial laundry detergents are expensive and often packed with unnecessary chemicals and plastic packaging. Today we're introducing a zero-cost, long-lasting homemade alternative that cleans effectively and is much better for your wallet and the planet. Ready for the secret ingredients? You likely have everything you need already, or it can be sourced for free. The core ingredient is entirely repurposed. Think about common household byproducts that usually end up in the trash or compost. These form the base of our recipe. To boost cleaning power, we incorporate simple, affordable pantry additions like vinegar and baking soda, which are natural deodorizers and cleaners. Let's walk through the simple step-by-step process of creating your bulk zero-cost detergent. First, take your core repurposed ingredient and prepare it. This might involve grinding it into a fine powder or creating a strong liquid base through infusion. Next, combine this prepared core ingredient with your simple pantry additions, like baking soda, ensuring they are thoroughly mixed to create the bulk detergent. For proper consistency and maximum effectiveness, add a small amount of water or vinegar, mixing until the detergent reaches a thick paste or concentrated liquid form. Using the zero-cost detergent is as easy as using store-bought brands, but dosing is important. For most front-load machines, a tablespoon is plenty. If you have a top-load machine or a larger load, use 2 tablespoons. For tough stains, simply pre-treat the area with a dab of the detergent paste or a splash of white vinegar before running the wash cycle. The benefits of this DIY solution extend far beyond just cost savings. It's a truly sustainable choice. Since your ingredients are repurposed or incredibly cheap, you eliminate that recurring expense, leading to huge savings over a year. By making your own, you drastically reduce reliance on plastic packaging, contributing to less waste and a healthier environment. Store your bulk detergent in an airtight container in a cool, dry place. Prepared this way, it remains effective for up to 1 year. You now have the knowledge to skip the cleaning aisle and make a powerful, free, and eco-friendly detergent at home. This recipe is your secret to a simpler, more sustainable, and truly free laundry solution that performs beautifully. Start saving money and reducing waste today. Give this $0 recipe a try and share your results with us.